A Mexican citizen was executed by the state last night. Mexico believes the U.S. violated an international treaty when trying his case. Channel 5's Valerie Gonzalez explains what happens when a foreigner is arrested on U.S. soil.
Under the Vienna Conventions, when a foreigner is arrested for a crime, their consulate should be notified immediately. We visited a police department that often comes across these scenarios. They explain sometimes it's easier to do than in others. Palmview Police frequently comes across suspects who are not U.S. citizens. Their department is 5 miles from the border. Sergeant Arnold Sepulveda says many of those arrests are Class C misdemeanors. When this happens, an international law kicks in. It says authorities without delay shall notify the national's consulate. This can be a relatively easy process when suspects provide their country of citizenship. Sepulveda says notification usually happens within 24 hours of detention. It can take longer when there is lack of cooperation.
If we're able to identify the person, if they carry any documentation with them, if they don't, then we have to go through a different process, in which case we take it to the nearest facility where they can be fingerprinted and identified. We don't have that capability, so we rely on our federal partners to be able to process those fingerprints.
Federal partners like ICE or Border Patrol can use their databases to help find the detainees' home countries. Sometimes ICE will take custody of the detainee, then the responsibility for contacting the consulate falls on them. District Attorney Ricardo Rodriguez says notification of a detainee's rights happen when a defendant goes before a judge too.
I feel confident that every magistrate admonishes every defendant, as to the constitutional rights, and we haven't had any problems since I've been in office.
The DA and police department says the notification process is being followed these days. Mexico and the UN International Court of Justice say in several cases notification was not observed. They point to that of Ruben Ramirez Cárdenas. Cárdenas had an appeal filed on grounds of lack of notification. The court denied his appeal in 2004. In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 10.